All right, so this is something that we went over in class. I showed you guys how to do it, but I'm going to go over one example here because I've had someone say that they don't understand. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your lines are written in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Both of these equations are already written in slope-intercept form, so you don't have to do anything there. What you now need to do is graph both of these lines. You should always graph the lines by starting with the y-intercept, which is 7. So I am going to go 0, 7 here and put a dot there. So I'm sorry, my son is welling out. So the slope is 5/6. And you have to really be able to read a graph to know that if I go up 5 from 7, I'm going to be off the graph. So in order for me to fit this slope on my graph, I'm going to say that my slope, I did not mean to do that. How do I take this off? I'm going to say that my slope has 2 negative numbers. And what I mean by that is I'm going to change it to -5 over -6, because remember, 2 negative numbers will be a positive number. Okay, so that just means that I'm going to count down 5 and then go to the left 6 to still have a positive slope. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that is my line. And as you can see, it is still a positive line. So that's just a little trick. You have to know if your line is going to go too far off the graph, then you'll just change the signs and go in a different direction. Okay. Now my next y-intercept here for the second one is -6. So I am going to have to clear my annotations because I have to scroll down. And I'm going to put a dot on -6. My slope is going to be negative, which means only one of my numbers is negative. So I'm going to count down 4 and then to the right 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and put a dot there. All right, so now I have to figure out the point where my lines cross, and they intersect at one point here, which is -6, 2. So I'm gonna put in -6, 2 and close my parentheses. And then that's that. I hope this helps you guys out. Have a great night.